Just see there is lots of options available in this effect option. Okay. Have you revised all the content or not? Have you studied that? No.
No, sir.
Okay, let's go with one by one. There is a last option. Let's see there, copy effect and clone effect. How can we use these two options, right? Firstly, you have to just do this particular event with that object like this. Just see here. Here we just give some color with that and take another shape like that, just like this star, and just draw like this, right? And you can also give the color with that. Just see. Here we have the two objects and we want to just multiple shapes between these two shapes. Then we can go on this option. You see there, here we have the first option, that is blend tool, right? When you place this blend tool and just drag this from here to there like this, right? And you just modify some properties from here. You can increase the angle from here like this, and you can also change the number of repetitions of this shape. Just click here and just increase and decrease the number of shapes between these two objects, right? And after that, if you want to just you want to just apply some effect on other tools, just see there, here we just take another shape like this. Just click on like this rectangular shape, draw like this, and again just a small rectangle, or you can just take any shape from this polygon shape like this, right? And just give some color with that. Just click on this, you will get the color, and again just select this section and give some color with that, right? And just draw the same property blend like this, you will get the same property, right? But we want to just change some property and just copy property, and we want to just apply on this. How is it possible? Firstly, little bit change some properties in this section. So just we need to do these properties. Just click here and just click in this shape, and you just adjust this here, right? You will just adjust the property of that, and you can also set the color with that by using this option. These are the different color set. You can choose anyone for that. Here we have this set, and just select here. This is the effect option. Just click on effect, and in this section we have blend from, right? And here's the clone effect. You can either go with that and you can go with that as well. So here we have a blend from. We need to just clone this particular blend from. Just click on this and click here. What happened? This particular section becomes the same format with that. Means it copies the format. It copies the format of the next one blending properties, right? You can go with the vice versa. You can do the same process. Just see there. Here we select this property section and click on here and just choose the copy effect and click on blend from. Just click on this and click here. You will get the same property, right? Either you can go with that, and you can also go with the second one, that is the copy effect and clone effect, right? You can do the same process. If you don't want to remove that, just click on here. It will remove the particular blending from this section. Understood? So that is about which option. This is about the clone stamp. You just go with that and you just use copy. If you apply any one of them in this particular format, you can just copy from one particular part to another. Let's go with the perspective tool. Here we have the perspective from, right? So we need to just do the perspective object. Just click here and draw some perspective effect like this. Just see there, and here we have the shape, and move on this effect option and adds perspective. You just move your shape like that. This is the perspective area, right? And you want to just apply the same another rectangle. Just draw the another rectangle like this, and you want to just apply the same perspective on this. So we need to just use some perspective part of that. Then we just move on the another one. Just click on this colorful, make color, and move again here. Click on this and adds perspective, but little bit different from this, right? Like this. And we want to just exactly apply this perspective shape on this. Then we need to go the same option, click on effect, and just move here. Just see there, here we have the perspective from and clone. Okay, so just click on copy perspective from, just click on this and place here. Okay, so it will become the same with that. Again, just move here, just click on this, and again move here, click on this, and here we just copy the perspective, just click on perspective from here. You will get the same angle with that, right? So this is about the
Yes, sir.
copy of this property. Similarly, just do the same process. Just click on this second one. Here we have the counter tool. If you make some counterpart of that, just see there, just select and drag like this. And you want this multiple object, just click on this. You will get the multiple objects. And you want to just decrease the width of this particular outline, just click on this and you just decrease the outline of this width, right? And you can also set the multiple colors with that. And we can select here color as well. Understood? And you want the same,
Yes, sir.
you want to just same property with that. Again, just click on this option and just go with that. Again, perspective and just little bit drag and upward like that or inside like that. Okay, and after giving this color, just move on the another tool. Just click on this and change the color like this. Okay, and we move here and just decrease or increase the width of that like this. And you want to just copy this particular format on this, you have to just again do the same process. So just try one by one, just go with that, copy, and here we have the option that is counter from, this counter to from, and click on this and click on here. It will apply from here to there, right? This is the option
Yes,
by which we just copy the particular property of blending. You see there, here we have all the perspective tools. Okay, here we have the perspective tools. You can go with that, anyone, blending property, counter, distort, drop shadow, envelop. You want to just copy anyone from this, you can go through this, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
This is about this particular two tools. And just move on the another one. That is the use of rollover. Why we use rollover? Just see there, here we have the shape like this, and just draw this and moving on this option and click on here rollover. Just click on create rollover. After clicking this rollover, you want to just extract some part from that. So we need to just move on this again and click on here. We have the option that is extract rollover. Just click on this. You just make a copy of the same object like that, right? Understood? And
Yes,
we can also just change the angle. Just click here and just change the angle from here to there like this and place according to your requirement. So this is for the making of particular section of copy. You can go through this and you just make the copy like that. Clear? Just move on another option.
Yes, sir.
Here we have the next tool, that is the power clip. You know very well how can we use the power clip. For example, we have a rectangular shape like that, and you just make the rounded rectangle by giving some rounded corners here. You can directly go through this. This is the shape to just click on F10 and just hold it and just move it outside. You will get the rounded corner like that, right? So we can modify the rounded corners by using this option. Here we have the tool by which we can just set the different corners properties. And you want to just increase here, you can go through this. And if you want to just unlock that, you can easily manipulate each and every corner of the object. To see there, when we click on here, it will increase and decrease. And when you click on 0, you will get the 0 value in this section. There's some problem. Just click on this and click on here and just type here value. After selecting this, just click on here and just type 0. You will get the corner like that. And again, just select it and click on 0. You will get these types of corners, right? These types of shapes coming with that. Clear? This will help us to modify the corners of this. Just type here 0.20. You will get the 0.20 value like that, right? So we can modify these types of shape, and you just modify the other shapes from here. There's some problems with that. This counter tool and just hold it. Oh God. Just cancel this. There's some problem with that keyboard. Okay, dear.
Yes, sir.
Firstly, we have to pause that and just check that.